Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Today we are super late. We're gonna be setting up everything. I have already an order to take some Palantir loan. Market just opened, so let's see how we do. And let's see what the market wants to do. As I say, I'm trying to get PLTR. How are you doing, Marie?
Good.
Yeah, like I'm gonna try for next time that the walk or the exercise in the morning doesn't take doesn't put us that late. So yeah. So I got PLTR. Let's see if PLTR want to manifest. It's a little trailer. Let's see if it really wants to do anything. Will it hold the PCL? If it doesn't hold the PCL, it just fall again. It's trying to get even lower. I will be expecting it to hold around 55, but if it doesn't, I'm gonna be okay with that. It's just a first shot. It didn't work. The PLTR is not looking that good. So yeah, I'm gonna take. I think it's a good buy at 55, anyways. But like I'm gonna wait for. You're right about that. I don't think I'm right about that. So let's see. Are you looking at anything, Marie?
I think I'm going to try to get a little bit of gold. I'm looking at tea.
T. 18 T.
And try to better my position there.
Trying to go short on Tesla. Let's see if I already offered that entry or not.
PLTR, wow.
Yeah, hey, thank you. I took the long at the PCL. That didn't work, obviously, but. So I say I'm trying to get Tesla, and you can see PLTR here really went down. Let's try again that PLTR. I will take my time here. So you got T. Yeah, like normally in T we have to kind of load it up, but yeah. We got some Tesla short.
Sorry.
Oh, all good, all good. So I tried to take the short on Tesla right there. So I'm trying to get some more Tesla at around that price there. It worked, but like it didn't get me.
No.
Yeah, no. Have to be patient. They're like. Yeah, I got some Tesla. Now I have to look a little bit closer at Tesla.
Okay.
I got it at the price I wanted, so we just have to see if it manifests or not. You are long or short on that thing?
No.
Long.
So we've got PMI numbers coming.
Yeah. Thank you for checking. Let me just. Yeah, I remember we have a couple of numbers. Today, Jackson Hole meeting start today.
Okay.
Let's see. You know, I was trying to be I'm a little bit more bullish on PLTR, but I'm debating that now in my head. Like,
Why?
it could be a short. Which is kind of unbelievable at this point, but
Low VIX.
yeah, it dropped, it spiked again a little bit higher.
Oh, Billy. That looks interesting. Mm.
Did you see Nvidia? Just flying.
Let me see.
Nvidia, NVDA.
Woo!
$325. I want to see if Tesla is going to be trading above 325. There is a decent order right there. So if it goes above that, I need to be out. What is a SPY saying?
I need to look at it in a different.
I'm trying to, because right now I'm trying to go long on PLTR and short. Like I'm short already on Tesla. But what I'm saying is like the volume on Tesla is good for the long. So I probably need to, probably no. I'm almost sure that I am wrong on that one. So, but the PLTR volume is a little bit different. So, like Overall, it looks like a short, but it's probably, yeah, that PLTR is that trap it.
It's a trap.
The difference that PLTR is trapping there, while that's why I should avoid PLTR instead of.
Yeah, 155.50 right there.
I have the 155 as my order is at 155
Okay.
for the long, but
I don't see.
there was a 100
Oh yeah,
something.
yeah, 110. But to cross that VWAP, it should be bouncing there at 155.50, but we'll see. Because we've got a big enough order. But what about a super condensed fishtail?
Yeah, exactly like that. That's why I was looking for that type of play. So I flip my head that I will be going short on PLTR if ever it attempt to do what it seems to be wanting to do. Like I have my order at the right place, so
Okay.
if it pick me up there, I will be happy. Just to be clear, I didn't want to short it, but hey, if he doesn't want to print, somewhere like, and I don't have to look at PLTR. Like I mean, the reason why I say PLTR is because, well, he actually have good volume today, but good volume with that type of choppiness that he have. So, eh. Okay, so let's put Tesla here and PLTR
It's
here.
a serious rebalancing.
Um, yes. What? What did I miss?
I'm just thinking, I just thought of myself getting up from that chair.
55.29. Why would that make sense? And like you said, I'm trying to put an order here. I'm trying to guess like why would a price that I see here will make sense. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I'm trying to get PLTR as I said. Let's see if we get it or not. Yeah, what was you standing up like?
No, I said I stood up like a
Rushy.
very rushy.
Yes, you missed your
Sorry.
charger, so you were going to be, your computer was going to be not working, so
Yeah.
it's understandable. So we're gonna take a little break. We haven't ate breakfast yet, so as I say, we are super late today. So we're gonna be back in a bit. So. of life. So we are back, and I say I was going to walk away from PLTR. I like all my losses. Like I have now, I think two losses. I have two losses. I'm having only on PLTR. Very spray here. Like I mean, it's not like I have been like I don't see. I will walk away, and I'm gonna just to exercise the discipline of walking away from this name because I had enough of PLTR. You know, enough is enough. So like just it's trap. Like I mean, I say it to myself. Like my guy, don't do that. Don't do that to you. Don't sabotage yourself.
Oh, look at you.
So so I gonna hold the short on Tesla because I think we're gonna go down. So let's see if you already manifest or not. I want it to move. I want it to move enough for me to be breaking even, which probably we are there already. But I want to see it clearing up a little bit better. Those like yes, it clear up the 1 minute, but it haven't cleared up the 5 minute yet.
Okay.
Like the last candle was still touching it. I want to see a candle not touching any of those things. Like this thing can tank very heavily. Like I mean, I said to Marie, but like I don't know, like if I was clear enough, or like if she got the same interpretation of what I was trying to say. But like SPY, I'm gonna keep my eyes because I think SPY is gonna go to to 633 very soon, and it's gonna go there and it won't hold it.
If it gets there, it won't hold it?
I think it won't hold it. It's a guesstimation, but like
Funny
a
enough,
guesstimation.
DV, we do have numbers on those.
I think there is a pending matter related to the 630 to be precise.
Okay. Are you buying like a?
A
Is
lottery.
that what you're there? You're waiting for that La Pop?
No. I like, and I don't even know if it's gonna pop or not. Like I mean,
Go.
like in Spanish, we have to say, we have a saying is that, like if you translate it directly, it's when you hear the river, is because water is coming. But like it's basically it's a little bit. It's like the flow is increasing or something like that. Is what it implies. So if you see, the market have been selling from Friday. So why wouldn't we touch that? I don't know. So,
Right.
What were you going to show me?
No, I'm just happy. I tried Billy, that didn't work.
You have AT&T.
I've got AT&T. Took it at the VWAP at the open, then took it again. I added to my position on the pullbacks to the VWAP again, and yeah, printing good. I did take a partial.
A couple times I saw you.
Yeah, so now I've got to.
You are not banging. No?
Hey?
You are not banging. It doesn't work. Okay, you are not doing it.
See, no. So that's that one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not banging it.
Sometimes
so now I've
when
got
I
a
do,
good position on my INTC2. I won 25 at $23.
Okay.
So I took it initially at 23.50, but I added when it pulled back a little bit lower because I really wanted it at 22.80.
Mm-hmm.
But I missed that entry, but I was able to better my price to make it at 23, so not too bad.
Nice. Yeah, it's good. It's very good. Like you basically clear the train. Like I mean, like the channel there. Yeah, what I was going to say to you is that whenever you do what I did on PLTI, you can also press this one. Like man, like you see, like this here, like there is a man that is not a man from men, like it's not from gender, it's a man, like we're gonna be back to that soon. So, but what I was saying here, it's what I did on PLTR. I went long on PLTR at the PCL here.
Mm-hmm.
Like this is the PCL. And look all the trading that happened below the PCL, and I say like yes, the long didn't work at the beginning, and I say this is not a long. You know, I'm gonna try to look south, but then when I try to look south, I say it's not gonna offer 56. Why it's not gonna offer 56? Because there was a big guy at 155.20, which is the level of support. Oh, it doesn't hold it anymore. This thing is gonna keep tanking, which is unbelievable to me. But Because yeah, like if you put it in perspective, you only have to look at PLTR for the last couple of days. Like this having, like we were talking about. When was that? That was August 13. PLTR print 189, and we are
Incredible. It's
155, and yesterday
like
went to 142. 143 was it?
people
142.69.
have to be careful when they start talking about stocks.
Yeah. So yeah.
No, but it's true. Like
You're
you
talking
know,
because of that mention. So
come on, come on.
what did I did? I short with together with the guy at 155.20. I got out exactly at the price that I wanted to go in. Like is that what happened? So
Good job.
no.
No, oh, because yeah.
I got out at the price that originally
That's
I wanted
where
to
you
go in
wanted
as
to
a
go
short.
in.
And it's, like that's trading. You have to be very disciplined. And, like we are working on that, but we are not there yet. So yeah,
Big improvement.
like what is the learning from that little thing there for me is that you see I saw the 155.20, like that was around there. So what happened here, like we went under, above, under, and then when we are here there is a lot of resistance. We pierce it like heavily. We are kind of using him as a level of support. It's not a strong support, but it's a level of support. So instead of you going with him, you can go with whoever is after him, which is the 156. So, but I have the 156 from the beginning. It's just I wasn't patient enough.
Okay.
So
I'm sorry to
go for
disturb
it.
you.
Go for it.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
it's
we've
fine.
we've got some numbers that came in as well. They were good. So and you're looking at SPY just popping. I couldn't hear because like it's really unclear. There's a lot of static at the other end, but
So I'm gonna have Tesla breaking even just because of the form of it. Like if I'm gonna take it short, I will take it somewhere else. Like do I have the problem is I have such a good price. Like well, when I say such a good price, like let's see, Tesla, what are you? Like it does two.
wow, just SPY going kaboom. So I'm still waiting for T to be AT&T.
Yeah, I'm
or
fishable there for sure.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the 2950 to take a partial. I might take a double there depending on how it reacts. I see that we've got positions that are building at 2975 and enough to be able to bring it there. So I think I might be keeping some for the glory because the biggest position is definitely at 30, and we've got a double shield. So at 30, we've got like 1,800 lots plus. So that's just ginormous. That could be something that's going to be repelling the stock, but yeah, this is what's happening. NINTC is printing. It's actually now at the VWAP. We've got great RSI. We've got great MACDs. We've got a great volume to the buy. We've got a really good price at 23, and the PCL is 50 cents above. So I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. Is it going to reject the PCL? Definitely a possibility. And the VWAP, sorry.
I cancel my break-even point on Tesla. I just want to be shake out. There is no reason for me to get shake out when I know I can be shake out in there. He's gonna have to really prove that he wants to go higher for me to be out. So bad that I want to add there, but I won't add. I will be gentle. So
Let's go.
come on AMD, get me in. I am trying to go short on AMD as well. We're gonna get it right away, right there, right there. There we go. That's AMD. We got AMD as well. No V-shaped recovery today. There is no reason to V-shaped recovery today. There are too many numbers coming out that I shouldn't be saying that, but
Home sales came in really positive. So we've got 3.9 million expected in home sale, and we've got 4. So, and this morning the numbers came in very nicely. So at one point, and we've got SPY that did not make a lower low, really bounced back, went back up above the PCL, and now is ramping up. So yeah, good numbers here.
Okay, understood. Let's see at what time begins Jackson Hole. I think it's at 2. I'm not sure. I know it's today. Jackson Hole meeting begins today. Jackson Hole meeting. Yeah, it begins today. Where's the special?
Tesla's on watch.
Yeah, Tesla. I shouldn't be going short on Tesla, but like,
Well, it should be. Actually, you're not that far because right now they've received a warning, and they are being watched by the feds because they're reporting their accidents too slowly.
Elon, my guy, are you tweaking those things? Be nice. Yeah, like my comment shouldn't be for single stocks. Like I mean, because like the reason why I'm shorting everything today is based in the overall market. I mean, it's based on SPY, it's based on Nasdaq, it's based on those numbers and what the overall stocks that I have been watching about and like go through. The way they look is what is telling me, hey, you prefer the shorts today.
Yeah.
So, but SPY did something fantastic there. Let's see if SPY is able to hold that. Like that's a big candle toward the upside, but when I say big candle, it's you know what? It's not that big actually. In the 5 minute, is about $1.20, something like that. And this is a $600 ticket, so it is bigger than the open. That's a for sure. But you know how SPY have been chopping around.
Yeah.
So
This one here, though, look at the RSI.
on SPY, yeah. We had a declining RSI
And the volumes,
until the
when
news
you're
came out.
looking, look at the, sorry about that, look at the candles since the news came out. We've got very strong volume candles, and they're all in the buyers.
But one healthy question here, like I mean, and I don't want to be throwing water in what you're saying, but like,
No. I'm just observing what's there, right?
Like,
So,
if we have a major trend or if we have been majorly going down, like your question here, like when we have those news and those news obviously put some volume into the everything, including the like indexes and everything. Like you have to ask yourself, how far did this news come? Like let's say, is there any more numbers coming after 10:30? I don't think so. So if that's the 10:30 we have like relevance things was only until at 10. So you have all that volume coming at 10, and like
and the PCL it's still far. Like we're still $1.
and that's what I mean. Like I mean, if this is all what we can get with such a good news, we're gonna need something better for it to go higher. Like I mean, as I say, it's like it's just it is looking strong. It is looking good in every time frame. Go for it. In every time frame, it's looking good. So.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
I have been very skeptical of SPY the last week and a half because of it have been choppy. It has been very choppy.
So I took my partial at the 29.50, actually 29.52 because I crossed it. So now I'm going to see what's going to happen. This is for AT&T. So it seems like, again, super heavy to the offer. and it could have enough to go there. So I think I'm just gonna stay quiet. INTC did go to the VWAP and then pulled back, did not make a lower low. 23 seemed to have acted as a resistance, so I've added on the pullback. Still got 23. I did not worsen my price, which is great. So
That's for NTC.
So now I'm going to see what's happening. So we've got a pretty much a neutral right now. RSI. But we still have some buyers here, so I'm really hoping that it's going to maintain, or at the worst,
Look
like
at
I
those,
said.
Those entries and those ads.
Thank
Very cool stuff, huh?
you. Thank you. I like that. But 2280 was, but like that was the entry, and that's what I put there. I would love to get that entry.
Like the way I'm trading, like and I say like it have been my whole life of trading. What I have been like, Marie knows that. Like I have been changing things all the freaking time. But like it's just like until I feel or how I feel comfortable trading is not just because of being comfortable trading, but it's also because of the performance of it. Like what does give better results? Like if I try something and it doesn't work, I won't hesitate into hey that didn't work, just change that crap. And yeah, but what I'm saying here, like I'm trading with a very very small amount of shares to be able to hold the volatility and things like that. So, but like when I do that, like for example, I have AMD here, and I am asking myself, why the heck did I don't add like 10 times whatever I like in there? Why? Because he have been holding by the penny pretty much. Like I have a little move above my entry. So, like this is psychologically talking hard to do, like to not, because like yesterday, I have a few shares of Tesla and it went like $10 in my favor. So I was $10 into Tesla, like.
Did exactly what we're talking. So this here is INTC. Nice. Nice. 23 held. So you were $10 in Tesla?
Yeah, the trade on Tesla was $10 in the morning.
Now we're talking. Hey. Good morning, Larry.
You are late, Marie.
I totally did not. Were we
That
eating
was
breakfast?
13 minutes ago.
I know. I didn't hear you.
We were not eating breakfast. Yeah, I didn't. Maybe I didn't say anything, but I replied right away, like or close to like. 4 minutes
Yeah,
after.
yeah. No. I didn't see it. Sorry, Larry. Mwah.
So
Wow. Perfect. Perfect.
I'm planning to add to.
exactly what we were talking about. Sorry, David.
No, all good. I am going to add to AMD. I think it's the right thing to do. I'm gonna add, but at the same time, I'm gonna tight my stop loss on that one.
Okay.
So go higher.
What?
No, yeah, nothing important. Just anything.
So you're all short, right?
I'm all short, but like I'm as I said, I'm keeping close eyes on SPY because SPY is holding pretty good right now, and though the volume is really dropping a lot on SPY, so yeah, let's keep it quiet.
Let's go. push it good.
Dun, 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 dun.
I love the way it's maintaining the 50s. Ah, there it goes. Okay, okay.
Come on, AMD.
Okay, okay.
Like with Tesla, like I want to show you what I'm talking about here on Tesla. You remember I say I want to be breaking even,
Yes.
and I say I don't want to be breaking even then because I am reachable. Like it can get me and then just move.
Yeah, absolutely.
My entry is right in between this candle here, so I will be getting out, and then like it's start to manifest already that it wants to go lower.
Ugh.
Like it yes,
Gorgeous.
it's not strong, but like it haven't moved pretty much in my favor yet. But like
But look at that
Yeah.
top.
like that so that like sometimes it's better to take the loss than to be chicken. Ooh, I'm getting AMD.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness, I got AMD. Okay, and let's respect the rules. So basically, I say I was going to shrink the stop loss if I get that, and I did shrink the stop loss. I wanted to reject the VWAP. I don't want to see you popping off the VWAP like too much. So do you still sense momentum on like?
That's
you-
fine. Oh, yeah.
Comes the money, 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 money.
What I sense right now is that it's got enough momentum and the buyers are still in control to get to the PCL. That's 638 then.
Okay.
And there are some participation to possibly get to 639. But right now, super strong RSI, strong volume candles, strong positions. Yeah, there's definitely momentum right now. Oh, man. I love this. Davey.
Yeah.
Almost.
And it's not like
It almost looks.
because the flow is low in that.
And T, when did the last time I
No, listen,
traded that?
it's not a low flow stock, but the flow in the day is slow. It's very low.
And when's the last time I traded that?
Like 6 months ago, maybe
I
more.
am so liking this. Because when you apply the principles that we have learned, we don't need to know the stock. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'd like to even open a debate about the knowing of the stock. Because I found, like BBI, when you know the stock so much, you so believe that it will not go there instead of really depending on the information that's available to us.
Yeah, you also create a lot of bad habits.
Exactly, of saying, oh no, it's never going to go there. Like PLTR is never going to pull back to that. Or NVIDIA is never going to breach this. Or in my case, BBAI is never going to go back to that number. Did it ever go back to that number? And
Like-
whip my arse.
If you notice, like we create different habits, like because yes, what you're saying, like let's say that's those are your hiccups, maybe. I'm not sure, but like maybe those are your hiccups. My hiccups is like but the same thing of like I am so used to trade PLTR and Nvidia, and I didn't take any trade on Nvidia I think yesterday or either today. But today PLTR, like I knew from the open that PLTR was going to be very choppy. I mean, very high chance that it was going to be as crappy as it is right now. And like, I still traded. Like there is not much value. Like there is value if depending which type of trader you are. But this is not the move I will be looking for.
No.
So and you know it, but just because you are so used to it, you think you have to. Like
Exactly.
you have that memory muscle that just muscle memory that just come and like do this. No.
Absolutely.
Get
I'm
out
just
of,
saying,
take
hey,
out your head, like do it for
remember.
something else. Yeah.
Exactly. Really look at the ones that you believe. If literally, I found T AT&T in my, oh, you know what, this sounds interesting. Oh, look at the RSI, look at the orders, look at the, and it did not. When you're looking at T, the volume is low and the RVOL is average, but there's not a whole lot instead of MODV that has a super high RVOL, right? There's NEO and there's, but it was really,
The only thing I would consider in that comment is like the volume is ramping up little by little. So I don't know if you know, but September is normally the slowest month of the stock market in average.
oh, there's a back to school for traders too.
Like I guess that the back to school is like many of us have to take care of our kids. Like for example, like
Yeah, that's what I mean. There's a
I
back
have
to
to stay
school.
with my daughter the whole week next week. We're gonna MacGyver and whatever. But like I guess like some of the volume just come out and like. But what I'm saying is like right now, like basically whenever the volume, the R-Volt is above 100, is because it's higher than yesterday. If it's below 100, it's the 10 previous candle. Like, but what I'm saying here is like now, because I am looking at this indicator, I am watching if in September we're gonna have that. Like if like let's say is September gonna be every day below 100? And like yeah, you know, like
Yeah. No, I know what you mean. But no, I didn't know that September was the.
yeah, it's the slowest month. You're gonna hear those guys crying too because for some reason, like maybe the people that know it like can explain it, but like I don't know exactly why, but like I know it is the slowest. So you have AT&T? No, yeah, you have AT&T and INTC.
I took Billy once when I crossed the VWAP and walked away. Glad I did. When I saw the tape turn, I just like, oh, lie. Bye-bye. I wanted to get out of T, but right now it's respecting the 29.50, 29.49, so we'll see. Right now it seems to be going cross. I'm going to pay attention a little bit to the tape to see what's going on.
A little bit.
At
That's not enough.
45 at 45, but I wanted to print back 50 very quickly. We do have a reverse of the MACDs that I don't like. I don't like the pullback on the RSI.
AMD got me out. Crowdweed.
Look, my entry was supposed to be what?
But in that one you didn't drop the order, right?
No, I did not. Do we have one like that? Oh, we can do the horse on that one.
I think we had one like that. Oh no, it's not there anymore.
That's the same one. Look. So I had a class order. CLSK and did not get me. Right now.
But
it's
that
like
order
a-
was after. Like the order we can see that you
Yeah,
put it
yeah,
after the candle.
absolutely. Did not get me back. And he is still, let's go, reprint 50, and it would be fantastic, may I ask, that you would go to 29.75. Is that too much to ask for you? No, I wouldn't like you to pull back at 23, so for that INTC. There we go. So we still have some really good volume coming out, but we found some buyers here on SPY. So we will see.
You are testing my patience, my guy. I have another to get back AMD,
Okay.
but like have to be very patient with that one. Why I don't want to get it at that price? Pourquoi, mon ami? Because you haven't improved anything. Okay, so let's see. AMD, the volume is quite low, so
Yeah. If you come back to 20 again, 23, I am going to be adding. We'll see. I should almost add there. Let's look at the tape. I don't think that 13. Mm-hmm.
all good.
Mm-hmm. I look like a crazy woman laughing at myself. Alone. Poco loca. Okay, I think this is where it's going to happen.
So I got AMD.
Nice.
I hope it works. That one have just a 50 cents stop loss, and I don't want to see it printing 65.50, 165.50, because according to my numbers, it shouldn't get there, but got the 65.20. I know that, I saw that, because that's the actual PCL. Though it is going higher and higher in very low volume, so we have to be very nimble on that one.
Yep, I'm gonna add to that position. I did. I just worsened my price 3 cents. That's not too bad.
Right, TC?
Yeah, I see it. I see the tape the way. It could be that but it's almost too heavy and too far. We'll see. Let's go.
Probably those are gonna be my last two trades, but let's see.
Okay. So SPY almost printed 638.
SPY is holding the 20 moving average like quite well in the 1 minute.
Oh no, I'm not breaking even there.
There seems to be selling pressure, but like as I say, we have to be very nimble. Like to be honest, am I expecting anything catastrophic to the downside in any of those price actions? Not really. Like I mean,
No?
no. My expectation is that we're gonna go lower, but like not really lower. Like I mean, everything I find is quite low already. Like you see, I was saying 130 on like we pay attention to the 633 to a SPY, but I was saying, oh, maybe we'll get to 630. Even that's not that far. Like it looks far, but it's not that far. Right now, for now, it's like yes, it is $7 from now, but remember that SPY is like a $600 ticket, so like that doesn't put much stress on it. Yes, it is a significant red day if you get there, but it shouldn't hurt any fundamentals of the. It's just profit taking whatever is going on. Like look at PLTR flushing. Like I'm learning something while I'm doing this, like, and that's very interesting. But like, it's such a subtle feeling that I have toward that. That
But you're learning.
What I'm learning is like, you see how I say to avoid PLTR in my head. Like I say, I'm gonna avoid PLTR because, and I say it from the open, because it is trap. What is PLTR doing? Right.
Wing, 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 wing.
Oh.
Right in the range.
Right in the range, exactly. So, like, what I'm looking at indicator that like, or it's not just an indicator. It's like a behavior, but like, that is telling me which ones are gonna be rangy or not, more with a little bit more accuracy, and that's what I kind of like right now. That like is pretty cool. Like it have been happening for the last 2 weeks, but I haven't written anything down on that. Like so, I have to really check it out later. The sauce take stuck on my head for so long.
Google's got some government.
Do some government problems again?
No, it's got some government contracts.
Ooh, like Google. A piece for me, a little piece for you. Lady, do you mind if I stand up and take a little walk? Yeah, I'm not frustrated. It's just my legs are a little bit like.
Yeah, right. You're the boss.
I'm not the boss, you know that. So, but like, yeah, I'm gonna take a little walk. I need to stretch my legs. So we are back. So come on, Marie, let us know. What are you saying about Spy?
No, right now it's more observation. So when we're looking at Spy and how it's reacting, so now it's at the opening and the VWAP. That's just about 20 cents difference between the two. So if it is a bullish sentiment, we should be having a big reaction from there and a really big curl on the RSI. Right now it seems to be manifesting. I'm just looking in the 1 minute. I've got two longs going on, so I'm hoping for the curl. Yeah, RSI is curling. Wow. Okay, that's a big candle that's forming right now. And it just closed. What a big candle. So if the selling does an engulfing, maybe short could be printing.
They are printing a bit now, but
Okay.
let's see.
Seems like everybody's long.
I was going to say, but I just look at it. Nvidia must be doing good, but that's what I was going to say. But it was pretty much flat,
Okay.
and
Okay. It's not, the sellers were not able
yet.
yet. Uh,
Push the button, my guy. Push the button. Drop that thing.
drop it like it's off. And there it goes. There it goes. Now that's the rejection that I'm talking about, or a bounce off the VWAP, not rejecting the VWAP, embracing it, loving it, giving it hugs everywhere. Good job. Okay, so now it's at the 50 EMA. Okay, we've got a reaction to that too, so that's normal. Like the PCL. We've got some big, oh.
Ah, you push the button, my guy. You did push the button, huh?
That's an engulfing. Is it going to end like that? No, we still got 50 seconds.
There
15
are buyers.
seconds.
That's for sure. That there are
Exactly. It seems to have enough momentum now to go to 638.40. We will see, we will see. Let's go. Sometimes you have to wonder why people name their kids a certain way.
What did you say, Alexandria? Why you say that? like summer, right?
Oh, there's summer, there's fall, there's snowflakes, there's like, and you're like, really, you know?
Those people that put a kid name like Summer put that name because they think that like they love summer, they hate winter probably in Canada, and they put summer is the thing I love the most. Summer, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Could be. I have no idea.
That's a weird thing. I know, but yeah.
Yeah. But there's a lot of different, right? So when you're
In my school, like summer, winter is about to come.
and you're like, really?
But the names in the last
Like
generation
Buster.
have Buster. Okay, yeah. Ay, ay, ay. That's a real name?
Yeah.
Or John,
No.
John D.
John D?
I don't want to say it like in the state there are a lot of we are on mute now. It's okay.
Oh, that would have been a good one too.
Yeah, well, I think we cannot say that.
Ah.
I mean, like the population will understand that we're talking about name, but YouTube may say, "Oh, you have words that shouldn't be said."
Mm.
Saltando una verte a ti. Atención.
Excuse me.
Algo nuevo descubrir. Rosas decían que eras mío. Y un gato me hacía compañía. Desde que me dejaste, yo no sé por qué la ventana es más grande sin tu amor. El gato que está en nuestros cielos, en nuestros sueños, no va a volver a casa si no estás. No sabes, mi amor, qué noche eterna. Presiento que no estás en esta estrella. Triste y azul, Nunca se olvida que fuiste mía. En mi mirar, lágrima clara de primavera. Ra, 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 ra. Come on, Andy.
Continue.
Wait for that. Andy's gonna make me impatient. Oh, Tesla. Tererere.
Honey, honey.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, that breaking even idea is so wrong sometimes, and I am more and more convinced. But like,
Agreed. Especially what happened for me when I think that the biggest one was BBAI. No, it's true. That really, really highlighted that our fears take over very quickly instead of having, hey, wait a minute, let's sit down here.
yeah, and that's probably like, that's something that AI is very cool about. And I don't know if how much you know about how it works, but like, for example, that AI is like a statement is not 100% correct or true if it's in percentage. So it will pick the one that is a higher percentage. So what relevance does that have with what we are talking about? Well, basically, like, we have fear and we have greed when we trade. Like, we have like there is a balance between the two. When they are well balanced, well, you can probably do okay-ish. But like, when the fear is overpowered, like, you act by reactions, like basically like, oh, you freak out because it's going against you. And like, when you really look from outside, like the big thing you did on BBAI, let's say, it's a big reflection of it. Like, if you react at the beginning, it stayed this big. But if you say, okay, this is what is happening, what I can do with that, then you try to make the fear that is big like this small.
And
really
it
treat
empowers
different.
you. Exactly. It empowers you as well, I found, to think outside of the box and to use the knowledge that you have. So, no, I like that was really a good one. It was a good experience. Though that morning when I saw it, it may not be. But yes, it was a very good experience. Now, looking back.
You did very well.
Yeah, I'm proud of myself on that. To not have panicked and say, because believe me, I've got very strong memories of full panic. A full on panic. Come on, INPC.
Ooh la la, Spy's doing something interesting. Very interesting.
How interesting.
Enough for me to know that if those trade doesn't work, I may be wrong for the day.
Okay.
Like, but it's like, because it get easier as the day go by, because of the drop of the volume. Like, as the volume go lower and lower, like there is like I have higher chances of being right as it moves, but like right now I will have to survive what the SPY is doing right now. Like why? Because I only have two ideas and both of them are short. So if a SPY does like if the move is legitimately to the high or like it's gonna keep going higher, I'm gonna be wrong. And then tomorrow might be a long days instead of a short days.
Okay.
Like it's looking like if it's the day it wants to flip. Like it technically flipped yesterday, but it didn't really flip. Like the price was flipping, but the order book is still looking shorts. Up to the point that we can see, because of course, like
Yeah, there's some stuff,
Yeah,
right,
there
that we
are-
don't see.
that we don't see exactly.
And that's important because a lot of times when we do see it, it is going to be on the tape. And if we're not paying attention to the tape, well, we missed it and we're.
Especially like for me, the more intriguing price at all right now for SPY is the 633. Like yes, yesterday I did ignore it a lot, but it's not because I ignored it or anything. It's just because of how it bounced from there. And like sometimes you hear me saying that it's a pending move, and it's because like at the other price that I was talking, which was 630,
Okay?
there is a major level and there is important sizes too, important sizes. I'm gonna have to have a chart for that because I have a high chance of being off in the because in SPY I was looking at this chart, and this is configured for day trade or for swing trade or anything like that. So like the 50 that I'm looking here is that red line, and that red line might be off by a bit. So like right now it's 631 with 33 cents. So it's going higher because yesterday it was 629 with 78 cents. That was yesterday.
Okay.
So yeah, let's see.
So SPY seems to.
It has the opening from yesterday, which is quite high yet, which is at 639 with 40. So it didn't print that today. It can print that today. As I say, made peace with those two trades.
Mm-hmm.
Are they or you in any expectation of any news coming out? No. So what I can do, read the tape. So let's read the tape a bit. So I have the tape for AMD right here. So that tape for AMD, that's a strong reaction to the PCL, and
I think SPY is gonna go.
it's going. Yeah,
It's gonna be 638. Well, 638.10. There's a big position which is pretty much a VWAP, but then it should go to 70. After that, I'm not sure.
if you notice, everything is inside the range, minus Spy. Like Spy is above the range. But the rest of the things are like PLTR, no, AMD, yeah, PLTR, AMD, and Tesla. All of them are inside the range.
Okay.
So let's see Hood. Hood is escaping, it's already out of it toward the upside, looking very good as a long. SoFi. We'll look at SoFi, Marie. It's just a couple of equities that have been staying behind. The rest of the things are high. Like basically, I know here we don't have the range, but like this is the range. Like it have been inside the range A and B, but like look at Mara. And of course, like I know there is a sector deviation and blah blah blah. So Hood, SoFi. These things are looking very bullish. The rest of the things are not looking that bullish, but these things are like those three and maybe many others are looking very good. So
Wow.
oh, patient.
Do I have it? Na, 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 na.
Es el tiempo que nos une, que acaricia tu corazón. Dun, dun, dun. Es el tiempo que te espera. Es el tiempo que soy yo. I'm gonna mute myself. back. That song always remember me. The Indian video that I showed, like unstoppable. Or the guy that say like if some days if you are having a day that is F,
Oh God, that was
just
so good.
come back another day.
Oh God,
Some
that
days
was
are F and they can be
so...
on F.
He's got like a series, eh?
Yeah, I see
Oh my God, he's hilarious. His sarcasm is just beyond words.
it. Because it's sarcastic. Okay, I got it. I didn't catch that lady, you know.
Oh God, it's just beautiful. I laugh so hard when you listen to the other ones. Oh, yes, Larry, I would love that.
Something I can know, or is a secret?
Yeah, no. It's just because Larry sent me that there was a movie tonight in Le Quartier, but it's the one that I've already seen with Larry and the girls, Mohana too. So she says, we need to do another movie night. Yes, I agree.
The one you two watch was the two, or the one? Okay,
two.
the two, the second. Okay.
And it was good. But then again, I like Dwayne a lot.
Yeah, I like Dwayne Johnson movies a lot, and like he has a character too. I like it. Like I mean, as a person, like he seems to be okay. Do you know that he lives in British Columbia
No,
and LA? Like, but let's see if he still lives in British Columbia. I think he used to live in British Columbia. Where?
I like him even more.
In Beverly Hills. Okay. Like yeah. Beverly Park. Those. Used to live in Canada. Yes, Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, does have Canadian roots connection. His father's Rocky Jones was born in Nova Scotia, and he's black Nova Scotia descent. Okay, while Dwayne Johnson himself is an American citizen. Well, Calgary. In Vancouver it's not British Columbia. It's true because my friends they live.
Yeah, Vancouver is
Vancouver is
British
British Columbia.
Columbia.
Yeah, right. Yeah. So yeah. So like when our friends came in December,
And he
you
played
remember?
football for Calgary.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, when like the friends that were here,
Yes,
one Christmas
yes,
with us,
yes,
they were
Hanga.
the one. Yeah,
See?
they were the one that told us that at some point he was living there.
That's so cool.
Whee! At what time does Jackson Holes hold?
The interest of, whoa, something happened to the market.
Da. Da.
That was a German doll. Doll.
At 10 a.m. Okay, that's from the Fed, but how long is it? What?
No.
I didn't want to know, but now I want to know. So, what is the Jerome Powell net worth? It's somewhere there between 20 and 55 million, you know. That's a big gap for you to say between, you know, it's like,
Yeah, 35. I know that if I'd lose 35 million,
yeah, something is going to happen, but it's like, why is such a big gap? Couldn't you just say like maybe 5 million gap? It's okay. But
that means that they don't know.
that means that they don't know much. Yeah, exactly. And probably he's very conservative and he doesn't really worth that much, but like speculation, something like that. But like I don't know, like the guy is brilliant. So why do I assume that if he works more than that is a bad connotation for his government? Like, he haven't been in there like for how long? Like 25 years, something like that. How like, he in the Fed? In the Fed is
No,
only
because
10
before
years.
he was in the finance department.
Exactly, but working for the government, it has been about very long.
Yeah, I'd say about
How
20.
long? Jerome. It's in the 90s. Oof.
1990. Secretary in finance.
Hmm.
Whoa.
More than whatever years I have alive. Well, only 2 more, you know. Just to clarify.
What, 2 or 3?
3, yeah, 3. No, 2.
3.
1992.
In 1990.
Mm-hmm. I'm unstoppable. You see how the market crashed.
Yeah. Big time.
Like if I didn't say that this crap need to go down. I didn't really know. It's just it's how you say probabilities thing. So
I like that.
it can be up or down. We really don't know. Like as I say, I have been very skeptical of any move in the market up or down since the last 2 weeks, week and a half. Back to life, back to reality. Did you watch the Prince of Bel Air?
Oh, yeah. That was funny. Do you do the dance?
No, I am not able to do that because I am not that skinny, but yeah.
No, no, no. The,
Yeah, like what he does.
you know, the,
Like,
what's his name?
he's
the
not
brother.
Will Smith. Yeah, the. So Marie, what are your comments on Spy?
Look at it go!
That's what I say. Like I mean, I have been wrong now, but it's like up and down,
Right?
And when you expect it to go somewhere, no, the opposite.
No,
thing.
wait.
Do you have any trade right now?
No. Still.
Still INTC. Crowit? No.
No,
AT&T?
INTCNT. Now I'm taking a little
He done AT&T? Oh, Crowit.
on
Yeah.
Crowley. I should have looked at it a little closer, but and you, what are you in?
The same things from like I really would like to see this and I say I want to put a price on it like for me to be able to be clear where I want to be out of those trades. Like I know toward the wrong side where I want it to be out, but in favor I probably I should be taking some profits on AMD. But let's look at the tape and really put a target on it because it's acting weird. Like let's say this is Tesla. I mean, SPY is just the fluctuation on SPY. Yes, I'm glad because I have been able to survive. That's part of the building up that we are doing, like being able to stay hooked to the trade that you really believe on. Do I still believe on those trades? Yes, I do. But do I have a clear target? No, I don't. So
you're gonna try to determine that?
I would like to determine that. That will be my main goal. And it's hard to do that a little bit in the way that the tape is looking right now, to be honest. Because like toward the hub side, we had a clear like a couple hundreds of at the ask at 325 on Tesla. So that's why I say if you trade above 325, like 325, I will be okay with being out of it. But toward the downside, I don't see anything until 300. Like I see 321 as a relevant price, like 321.50. But that's just $1 below. More than it's just $1 below. And let's make sure we are aware that this is Tesla. That's why I say $1 like that. Like right now, I see some sizes at 314. Like, can Tesla go to 314 today? Hell yeah. So the problem is that if he goes there, you're gonna go lower probably. But like, sometimes we have to read in between the lines here. And if I read in between the lines, somewhere around 315, 314 could make some sense on Tesla. So don't believe a lot in the trade, as I say. So, like, I mean, I believe a lot in the idea that it will go lower.
Okay.
Probably not that low. So, and yeah. So the other one was AMD. So for AMD, I have to put a target here, like, and the same thing that we don't see much, like 164 exactly has the relevant size, not by a lot, like, but then we see 163. I'm very
Let's go.
yeah, like those tapes, we're gonna have to watch them a little bit closer when we start moving. Like let's say if we say like right now the tape is building toward the downside on the AMD. Let's see if we're gonna run away or if we're gonna be trying to crush it. And yeah, it's looking good.
Push, push it. Let me take my partial.
Which one in INTC? Nice. Nice.
Yeah, I've been setting up the position for quite a long time here.
What is AMC doing?
Oh, I think it was really
Yeah, barcode.
right.
Holding good prices yet, but definitely barcoding.
There we go. Let's go. Spy's going. Oh, did you want to?
To wrap it up, yeah, for sure. Let's do that. Wrap it up.
Did you say you were wrapping it up?
Yes.
Oh.
Just give me a minute.
Oh no, please. I thought you got stuck.
Just looking at this tape.
Mm.
Okay, so let's do this.
I'm gonna
again.
take it up to 30. Okay.
Yeah, so PLTR, let's go with the first failure here. So I took PLTR here long at the PCL here. That didn't work, so it just got me out. Then I was convinced that I was wanting to go short, but the price I wanted to go short at that time was around here, and but I didn't wait, so I jumped in here with that. That trade was justifiable because there was a decent size there, but still that didn't work. So it just got me out, and then a little bit went down again, and having very choppy PLTR. But right now the market the whole market is going into the same choppiness for now. So we're gonna wait for the market to do whatever it wants to do. So, but PLTR, yeah, I didn't make any money on PLTR. Basically, that was wrong trading there, but because of the entries, just one trade was okay, but it didn't work, and it also was a lack of patience. So for Tesla today, I did add on Tesla right here. I took Tesla short at the 200 moving average, then I add at the 400, and I if the market doesn't flip today toward the long for good, those trades are going to work at the end of the day. But if the market decide to, hey, now we are done with the selling, this trade for sure is not gonna work, and we're gonna see what it wants to do at the end. So, but Tesla not making anything yet, not losing anything yet there. So let's see what it wants to do. So then AMD, in AMD here, I have been using tighter stop loss on AMD because I consider it makes no sense to have a wider stop loss in AMD. So because of the way it's trading, so maybe it's a mistake to add. I went here, I went short, I add to the short, and then I got out with a little loss. So I was okay with that, as I say, but I will get stopped out anyways. So then I shorted again here. This size here, like this size here, is the same size I have with the ad previously. So in here it's just a one shot. Again, very tight stop loss there. Let's see whatever it wants to do, if it's gonna flush or not. But the same idea for AMD. Though AMD is looking a little bit weaker than the rest. Like for example, if you look at Tesla here, Tesla is holding that green line that we were talking about here, which is the 200 moving average, while AMD is kind of rejecting it. Like it touches here and it went down, and it has been down the whole day. So is it gonna be coming down? Probably, but we don't know. Like it's gonna depend a lot on the market. So when I say like if you see a SPY was rejecting that until 10. At 10 it claimed it back, and now having a level of support. So I believe on it, but in the 5 minute what we are rejecting is kind of too close to the moving average. So my problem with the SPY is that I think that we can print 639 with 40 cents, like this price is doable today. I need attempt to go there like yesterday, but like I don't know.
Today could be 638.40, but you're right.
Yeah, like it could have some problem going in there, because whenever it was there, it was right before the open yesterday, and the open put it there like so, and then it just tanked. So the volume there was quite heavy. So, but that's it for me. I have a red day that at some point I was able to make it green. Right now it's no big deal, and it's like I could be green at the end of the day, like the rest of the days. Like I have been green the last 3 days. So yeah, like yes, when we finish the show, it have been red, but during the day I got green. So today I just don't know yet. I believe on my trades, so I'm gonna hold them until it hit my stop loss. And if it hit my stop loss, if both of them hit the stop loss, that's it for me for today.
Okay.
And if I take some profit, then I can keep going. But I compromise pretty much the rest of my daily loss to those two. So because as I said, I believe in them. And Tesla yesterday, I took a $10 trade on Tesla yesterday, maybe more than that. And the only problem, it was good. I'm not complaining actually. The problem was I didn't add. So I have this mixed feeling with the adding. So I am trying to decide when it's correct to add and when it's not right to add. So that's a bit tricky for me because we are not there yet. But yeah, I see AT&T making higher highs. So now we can jump into Marie's trade. Like Marie,
Okay.
illustrate us.
So I took my first trade was AT&T, and I took it at 29.31. That was practically the open. Then what I did is I took right there my first partial at 39. I added at 37, and then I added again when it pulled back down to the VWAP at 34. I just worsened my price by then I partialed again at the 38. I let it go. I partialed again at the 50. That one I had a full position. Partialed it when it wicked 55 and came back in. I did a double partial at 53 again. Then I took a partial when it went at 43. I added aggressively when it crossed the VWAP. I did 2 adds. I still have a full position. Here, that was a mistake where I wanted to take a partial. I added, so I took a partial again. I still have a pretty good position left. I'm still 20 cents in the money. I'm still printing, and T right now is I still have some good profit there, but it's a 7 R trade.
Pretty cool.
So that's really
It's funny
good.
that you have to stay for so long in that trade.
I know, right? At the opening. But then again, we've got INTZ. That's really close. So INTC, I was waiting for the 2280. I didn't put my order in. So what I did is I did go in at
Very good, too.
2303.
She didn't get this. She didn't get that, but she got this one.
Correct. So, well, I got it at 23, but then I added again at 93.
Okay, I see here and here.
And then I added again at
Right
23.
here again.
And
Look at you building on proposition.
I know, right? Without worsening my price. I took a partial.
What is your target?
My next partial is 2340.
It looks like fast. Where is the elephant?
Yeah, the big elephant is going to be the PCL.
The PCL.
So I think at the PCL I'm going to be all out. If I still have
That's-
positions left.
PCL is about here.
If I still have, but my next partial is at the 40. So we'll see there. And I did take Billy. I took it one shot. I'm glad I walked away. So Billy, I took it when I
That's
saw it.
INTC.
Oh, Billy, Ballet. There it is. So Billy, when I saw how it crossed the VWAP and how it rejected the opening, like it really popped right there, I took a long at the VWAP and I just took a
Worked.
loss right there.
Yeah, it did.
And then when I'm looking at it, it just pulled back in, so I'm glad I walked away.
Yeah.
And then my other one was two shot at
CrossFit.
Crow Reef. So when I really, my God, I've been waiting for it to pop since forever. It would seem for like it's just been. So I was really excited at the 91. 91, I had already had that one. I didn't take it at 91. I missed the move completely because I didn't look at it. I did not place an order. But then when I saw how it reacted, what I did is I placed an order at the VWAP. Then I took a loss. I went in a second time, close to the VWAP again. It pulled back. So now, like when I'm looking at it and the fishtail now that it's doing, is it possible that it's going to pop? For sure. I'm not, but I'm seeing big position again at 92.70, which is right there. Is it going to pull back there? There's a possibility, but then the fishtail is
It's funny how
unknown.
you pull out that one out. Like,
Okay.
I'm gonna do it just for me to see, like, because I like what you did there. So you have
The
so
initial
She
trend.
have this. Then she have this. And she have something like.
Yep, the second trend. That's just at the opening.
Oh, you took it from the second thing, gotcha. She have that. So basically, what I see there is it went strongly higher at the open. Then it was pulling back, but the trend is accelerate right here. Like the downtrend, like it was going like this. Now it decelerates. So now you are aiming for this to escape the triangle toward the upside around here, because it's still bullish. So
And it's really close. I believe it's going to be close
Nice
to the
close.
93
what you mean?
when
Yeah,
it's
the-
going to escape.
Okay, got you. Yeah,
We'll see.
pretty cool stuff. Hey,
Thank you. So INTC right now is still working. I'm very close. So right now 23.38. I'm close to my partial. I'm just going to observe the tape. But right now, really good. I like what I did today. I like the control that I had to move away, to really get into the position. And like you said, really low amount of tickets and stay in the trade from the
Roller
beginning to the end. So not really flipping out, pulling away. If there is a pullback, and I do believe in the trade, well, on those pullbacks or on those pops, I'm able to add or take these partials. So yeah, I like the way I like my execution. It's definitely aligned with my trading plan and strategies. So yeah, it's a good day for me. It's a good day.
nice, very nice. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope everybody have fun. I hope everybody have a good day. And yeah, we're gonna be here tomorrow. We're gonna see you then. Bye.